Good day, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day. We kicked off the morning with a beautiful sunny 43 degrees here in North Carolina. Today's video is going to be a little different than the other ones. I'm actually resurrecting a project that I started quite a few years ago and then had to put on hold for a little while, and it looks like I'm going to be able to have time to get back to it. Unfortunately, before I can even start the project, I have to be able to get to the project. So the title of the video is a little misleading. I didn't actually find this. It's been there all along. Okay, so it is dusty and the garage is still a mess. The fenders need adjustments. And obviously I'm going to have to put a lot of this junk back so that my wife can park her car in the garage today. But I can get to the car, I can get to the inside, I can get to the outside, I can get to both sides. Later on this week I will do some more with getting the interior cleaned up so that I can start actually getting back to work on this thing. I'm excited. So it took me most of the day, but I've got this side of the garage straightened up and cleaned up. Of course, I had to park things back around the Mustang so that my wife can park her car in the garage tonight when she gets home. Not that big of a deal. Most of the stuff is fairly easy to move. That great big box that was over there you saw earlier is the windshield for this 68 Mustang. The back windshield is buried in the back seat somewhere. First thing I'm going to do once I get started next week is I need to go through and reassess which body panels do and do not need to be replaced. There isn't a panel on this car that hasn't been touched so far. But if I remember correctly, I need to redo the tail light panel. I'm probably just going to cut it out and buy a reproduction panel and put a new one back in. But once I do that, and then I can start getting some of the panels trimmed away again, move the fenders actually bolted on so that I can open and close the doors, and then to clean out the inside. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and look for more videos if you're into watching 68 Mustangs come back to life.